Hello, today we're going to be looking at one of our 20-volt electric tree pole chainsaws. This is equipped with an extra extension, about a 3-foot extension that you can add in if you're looking to get higher. You do not have to use that, so if you're working on a lower branch, it's definitely safer, easier to handle. Benefits to this is it's an electric machine, so it's quieter, no emissions coming off of it, and it's a lot lighter, to be honest. It does have a little bit smaller of a bar. It is an 8-inch bar instead of a 12-inch bar on it. But for most jobs, that's really all that you need for trimming. The blade cover on this one is where the wrench is equipped at. It's a little rough to get out, but it's an Allen wrench with a screwdriver on the other side. So we're going to start off up at the blade, tensioning of it. As with all of our chainsaws, we do send out a new chain on every rental. To tension on this saw, what we do is stick our Allen wrench side in, give it 1/2 turn on both of the 2 nuts. Then, I'm going to get a little closer so you can see better on this one. It has a tensioning screw right here in the front. Loosen, turning this way, tighten, turning this way. So counterclockwise to loosen, clockwise to tighten. I'll loosen it off a little bit so you can see a slack chain. Slack chain, by pulling in the middle, at rest is going to sit further off your chain, not up tight like it should. Before the chain comes to this point where it's actually off the bar, you want to stop, take your battery out of the machine and go ahead and do a chain tension like we're doing here. You'll have a little bit of play in your bar, up and down. You always want to hold up on that play when tensioning your chain. You'll see that tightened it up an awful lot by doing so. Stick your wrench in here and just simply turn that clockwise. Do a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. You don't need this overly tight. You just want it with 2 fingers of light pressure in the middle of the bar for it to be able to easily pull out and snap back and rest into place. Now that we have it roughly where we need it, we're going to continue to hold up on the bar, rotate it over, and tighten down using these 2 nuts right here. Just get them both snug to begin with. That'll hold the bar in place. Then you can actually let go of the bar, get a better grip on it, and really snug down on that. Alrighty, our machines do come with 2 batteries and a charger, as well as an extra liter, or not liter, but 20 ounces of bar fluid. This is an oil lubricated saw, so coming up here, you can loosen on this cap here and refill using this. Don't ever let this reservoir run out of oil though, because if it does, it's going to burn up your bar and chain, potentially causing extra charges. We're going to grab one of our batteries, which is equipped with a battery indicator on the back of it right here. You can press and it'll light up showing you how much charge you have left. You don't have to take the battery out to check that. So to use the saw, always make sure the head is off the ground. Your safety here, you have to pull back, down, and then squeeze the trigger on it to engage. Okay? Now at any point, if we wanted to add another section in for more length, simply loosen off here, pull out, and reinsert your extension into the middle, tighten down on both sides, and you have an extended tree pole chainsaw. One thing I like to do to make sure I don't lose my wrench is always make sure I put it back into my guard and leave that wherever my bar oil is, as I'll need them at the same time. Thank you for watching today.